steps. Steady and ready to get down. The more you translate, still wouldn't be enough to navigate. Imagine carrying 2 buckets of oil in the old days up here. Don't have to go to the gym. Those days there was no gym. This is the only gym working hard. Keeping it nice. Simple. Yes.
Spanish, English, ¿qué?
Well, any language.
Patua.
Any language has no meaning to it. Yes, all languages are twisted in many ways and got us twisted, spiraling it down these days. So there you go. Yeah, the gentleman asked me, do I speak English and Spanish? I said, I have no languages left. All have no meaning. Yes, almost there. Almost there. Thank you. Keep up. The youngsters are doing a great job. Leading the parents up the spiraling staircase. They're the next generation that we need to get strong. I was speaking to the park ranger. He said they can't recruit any youngsters anymore. About 20 to 30% are overweight and unfit, and the remainder are beyond repair. And we've encouraged this to happen because the machines and tools and technology is doing most of the work for the humanity today. The humanity is getting feeble, the faculties are being twisted, and we are spiraling down of our faculties, and any step that is taken with the lightest tension, I shall not exist. For now, and it's wonderful that and then they've been so great. A wonderful park ranger here gave me a good insight to the entire history behind this place, and I have no hat, but I must take the hat off for you keeping this place one of the wonderful pressures and treasures. Thank you.